We deal with different kinds of numbers every day. Let us explore them.
I am Rahul. My school is 2 kilometers away from my home. I use bicycle to go to school. How many kilometers will I cycle in 5 days?
It is easy to work with such numbers. Distance covered daily is 2 plus 2, which is 4 kilometers. Distance covered in 5 days is 4 into 5, which is 20 kilometers.
I am Kavita. I am traveling from Bangalore to New York via Dubai. What is the total distance traveled?
Total distance traveled is 11,000 plus 2,700, which is 13,700 kilometers. We can perform calculations with these numbers easily.
I am Pranav. I like reading and exploring about the outer space. Saturn is at a distance 142700000 kilometers from the Sun, and Earth is at a distance 149600000 kilometers from the Sun. Which planet is closer to the Sun?
These are very large numbers with a long chain of zeros. There is a huge chance of errors while writing and performing operations with these numbers. To compare them easily, we convert them to standard form as 1.427 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer and 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Writing numbers in standard form helps to handle operations on large numbers in a convenient and more accurate manner.
I am Pooja. I study about atoms. The radius of hydrogen atom is 0.0000000025 meter. The radius of oxygen atom is 0.0000000006 meter. Which atom is smaller in size?
These are very small numbers. Just like very large numbers, even these numbers can be written in the standard form. We use negative exponents for the same, which we will learn in detail in this chapter. Let us conclude. Exponential form of numbers can be used to easily represent, understand, compare and compute very large and very small numbers. While we use positive exponents to represent very large numbers, we use negative exponents to represent very small numbers. We will learn more about negative exponents in this chapter.